We just got the knock.
Well, this is the first. The hallway looks like this. It's still not working. So, good morning from this cute little hip camp spot that we've been parked at for 4 days. We are just down the street from some of the most beautiful springs in Florida. If you're new here, we spent 3 years building out this bus and we finally started our journey that we've been waiting for. We have loved staying at this spot because not only is it surrounded by all of this nature, but it's also been really good for the kids because there's a swing set over here that they play on every morning and it keeps them busy while we've been loading up the bus to head out today. Today is a long drive, so we're going to be stopping about halfway for lunch. We're about to go into Georgia. Georgia! So this weather is taking a turn for the worse up here. Like very quickly, the sky got really dark. So this will be our first time driving through a storm. We're literally pulling over on the side of the road because there's no AC in the bus. Gotta close the windows. Alright, we made it to Savannah. We left the bus over at Cracker Barrel and drove like 20 more minutes to downtown. It is raining, but it's not keeping us inside. So we found a cute little place for dinner and we're gonna try it out. So we woke up in the Cracker Barrel parking lot, we had some breakfast inside, loaded up the bus, and drove it over here. It was about 23 minutes from where we were last night. And now we're gonna go explore. The weather is so much better than yesterday. Today we get to enjoy the sunshine in Savannah.
I made it. Good morning. We just woke up from our spot here in Savannah, Georgia, and now it's time to get the bus packed and ready to move to the next spot. So I'm gonna get the bus started because we have to be out here by like 10 a.m. usually. I don't know if it's strict or not, but it's like 10 minutes from 10 a.m. Who's ready?
To our parking spot, the Sam's Club. And we have so much laundry. And I just remembered I never made coffee this morning. We woke up later than we usually do and it was pretty much time for us to leave. And I always have coffee when I wake up in the morning, so we're gonna have to probably stop somewhere.
I will walk like a nomad. I've been stuck inside my house too.
We just got the knock. Good thing is it is 9 a.m. so they didn't knock in the middle of the night. The Sam's Club no longer offers overnight sleeping because the bad folks like to ruin it for the good people. So I wanted to chill out for a bit and hang around, kind of get some stuff done, but it looks like my mind is made up and we're going to be traveling north a little bit more. It's probably good because it's starting to get hot again.
Starting route to Bucky's.
We are making a little pit stop because some really good friends of ours were crossing paths with us on the highway. They were going south and we were going north. And we couldn't pass up the opportunity to meet up with them. Actually, it was almost a year ago that they were helping us pack up our house so that we could move out of it. It was so nice to see them, even if just for a short time. It was like having a little taste of home with us on the road. So I know we've made this big change and we're traveling and we've said goodbye to so many people, but it doesn't mean it's goodbye forever. And now we're both back on the road. They're going south and we're going north. We're on this really peaceful stretch of I-95 and feeling so appreciative for life. Just like life is so good right now.
All right, we just got back from Chuck E. Cheese, back on the bus. We had to make a 3-hour trip up north to our Harvest Host, where we'll be staying for like the next 4 or 5 nights. But we're on a time crunch because Beth also has work at like 4 o'clock. And it's noon right now. And then I still have to set up the new Starlink. We just got the Starlink in order for her to be able to work this evening. We got to get this bus back into drive mode.
We're back on the road. Initially, our plan was to take it a lot slower going through these states. But what we're finding is that the only places that are affordable to stay around here are Cracker Barrel, and we're kind of tired of moving the bus every day. So we're headed to a spot where we get to stay for 4 whole nights in one spot without moving the bus, and it sounds so luxurious at this point. I almost missed it. Ah! Well, there it is. We're in North Carolina. Well, this is the first. The hallway looks like this from the drive. All of these bins fell out. We parked in an open spot so that we could try and get some internet. And my class is in 43 minutes. And so you're thinking, oh, did they get the internet working since they went through all the trouble of getting the new router delivered? And the answer is no. It's still not working. It's also really hot. 90 degrees in the bus. But in the positive, there's a playground with a zip line in the yard. The kids are loving it. Okay, it's 3:46, so my class is supposed to start in 14 minutes, and we have to drive 20 minutes into town to potentially teach in a Starbucks.
Good luck. Alright, moment of truth. It's actually the cable. Alright, that's new. Getting online.
Is it gonna work?
Hopefully. It says getting online. Establishing a connection to the internet. And that's new. Like it didn't do that at all before.
Oh, getting online?
Oh, it says online.
What?
I think. First thing we have open is Home Depot.
Oh my gosh.
That looks like it worked. Speed test. Speed test is working. Go.
YouTube
Atlantic
is
GA,
working.
Starlink. First test over 180. I'm pretty sure it was the cable all along. It probably wasn't.
I was gonna say, well, at least they sent the router for free, but we did spend $120 to get it overnight.
Yeah.
So.
And then we spent $70 for the cable. Yay. Technology.
It's
We're
actually
not cavemen anymore.
I know. It's like part of me is like I wanna like be content with not having good internet. I'm in here preparing dinner. I'm about to go outside and grill a little Blackstone, but Eddie's outside with the kids and they saw some deer come up to the edge of the property. It's one of the best things about being in a spot like this where we're by the woods. There's so much wildlife around us. He didn't close the door.